My friends, it's Coach Vigue and Zuzu. This is Yoga Flow to soothe your back. We're going to do some simple yoga stretches to lengthen, to release, to restore mobility and flexibility in the back. Make sure you click that thumbs up button and let's go. Let's begin with a diagonal child's pose stretch. Place your right hand on the corner, left hand on top, and let's exhale, pull back. Knees a little more than hip width. Puppy underneath you is optional, and use those exhales to get some length and some beautiful bend in the spine. She loves the Coach Vigue yoga mat, by the way. Long stretch back. About 5 breaths is always great. You could always do these longer if you wish. Usually once you get into them, you don't want to get out. You can widen your stance to open the hips more. You can put your nose in the Spider-Man leash. And think of a string on your tailbone that's pulling you back as you reach your fingers forward. And then go to the other side. Left hand, right hand on top, and exhale, pull down that diagonal. It is a game changer, a lifesaver for your spine to decompress the spine. And breathe. Keep your fingers and toes loose. And one more breath. And flowing right into the cat-cow, hands and knees position. Hands are on the shoulders, knees under the hips. For cat stretch, we're going to articulate the spine, tuck the chin, and round up, pressing into the palms. Total spinal articulation all the way up and down from the lumbar area on the bottom to the top and the thoracic. And then cow, drop the stomach, drop your shoulders, and look forward comfortably. This one can be very tight. So as always, modify as needed, work your way into it. And then again, round up into cat, stretch, tuck that chin. You could sway it forward and back if you wish, pulling the abs in. Look at those poofy sweatpants. And again, drop down, cow. Turn those elbows in, pressing into the palms as you get like a bendy straw going back and forth. It's a beautiful thing. Moving into the bird dog, hands and knees position, elbows are in. Take your right leg back. Work on some core stability. If you want more, extend the left arm. So stabilizing, working our abdominals, our lower back. Stretching away from the center, blowing a gnat off your mat. That's extra credit. Try to get parallel with the ground and breathe. Pressing into this standing arm. And then other side. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Try to keep the hip closed so we're not opening out here. That's for another day. That's another adventure. Always more adventures. You can also speed it up, going back and forth, but always use control. It says it right here on my mat. Always use control. A lovely reminder. Inhale forward, exhale down, stabilizing, finding that balance. One more time each side. Stretch it out. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's good. The back, getting the blood flow moving. Now lower down onto your forearms for a Sphinx stretch. Elbows under the shoulders, and then lift the shoulders up and back, extending the legs back behind you, opening the chest. This is the first progression. There's 2 more. Can you dig it? 2 more. Noch 2 mehr. Moving into the cobra if you like, hands under the shoulders, elbows squeezing into the ribs, and lift. You can add a little pulse if you like. It says tuck in your shirt on the mat, so my shirt is tucked in. Or you could press all the way up into upward facing dog. Draw the shoulders back and down. Knees can also come off the mat. Squeeze the glutes. Strength in the back, getting more of that articulation. I just had a little movement in the spine. You could hold this for 10 breaths, 20 breaths. That's up to you. I'm going to do 2 more. Feels so good. Aha. Relax the jaw. Get that pliability in the spine. You got to get movement, always movement. And speaking of movement, sit up tall, a few shoulder rolls here. Get that posture down, get that chest open so everyone can see my He-Man shirt. We're breathing in, exhaling, fill and empty the lungs. Now downward facing dog with a little caveat here. We're gonna press up and back, pull those pants up, good. Zuzu's doing all right. Now sink this right heel down. We're gonna focus on stretching the calf behind the knee up into the hamstring, into the glutes, and of course the back. As you exhale, relax your shoulders. You can shimmy it. So again, the natural curve in the lower back here, releasing the shoulders and stretching down the backs of the legs. Hold it there, just checking. Okay, she's just laying over there. 3 more breaths. Work the armpits down on the exhales. Nice mobility in the spine. And then switch sides. Tuck in your shirt. Check on the dog. Zuzu, come here. Whistle for the dog. Singing that left heel down. Is that her? That must be her. All right, 2 more breaths. What are you doing? Have you all met Zuzu? Meet her now. She might tear the tripod down. She's been doing that. She's a menace. Oh, beautiful things happening. All right, come on down. Seated position. Shake it out. Shake out the arms. Shake out the legs. Okay, now here's a little sneak one here. We're going to do a cap switch. Whoa, how do you do that? Lower down onto your chest. We're going to take this right arm. We're going to bring it back. This right leg is going to extend out. And we have a reverse scorpion. Where did that come from? You can bend the knee if you like. There she is. Perfect timing. And work this right shoulder down. You could extend this arm out. You can reach forward and back. Right away, you're getting this beautiful twist. You got to rotate. You have to have rotation in your life or that back gets so rigid. You're like a coat rack. Oh. Who are you? Hey, sweetie. Yeah, this is Zuzu. She's a new member of the Vigue family. Got her from a rescue in Florida. And then other side, you roll onto your right side. Left leg goes across, left arm reaches out, or here. And we have this stretch. If you want even more, look at this. You grab this foot and drive, oh, ow. Drive it down. She's gonna try to, she has those, her teeth are like little thumbtacks. Yes, they are. Hey, sweetie. Good. Flatten the chest. Open up your breath. Evade the little thumbtack puppy teeth. Love that stretch. Okay. Bring it back. Quick shakeout. And let's finish with our single leg stretch. It's going to lead us into a beautiful twist also. You don't want to miss this. Don't want to miss it. Your back will thank you. Take this foot flat or extend it on the mat or out and pull this knee in. Head can be up or down. And then slowly flow it side to side. Big stretch into your hip flexors. Zuzu, come here. Oh, not the, she keeps taking the AirPod holder, which looks like floss, looks like a floss container. Dental floss, that is. And we pull that knee in. Keep it straight in, extend this leg out. Let's do one more on each side. You can hold this stretch as well. There you go. And then when the knee comes in, let's do the big finisher. Drop this leg over, full twist. Arms out, extend if you want. Hold this for 5 to 10 to 20 to 30 breaths to 30 years. You're doing such great movement here in your lumbar area of your spine. Lower back, all the way down the spine. And breathe, lots of breath. Can't do anything without the breath. add years to your back. And then other side, up and over. How you feeling? Don't forget to share this with your friends. I'm sure you know certain people, I do, who are walking a little hunched over lately. Very tight. Wake up in the morning with all the tightness, all the pain. Show them your favorite stretches. Oh. Okay. Knees into the chest. Well done, my friends. Oh, how did that feel? Feel good? Don't forget to click that thumbs up button. It helps get this video out to so many more people, to help people around the world who have these back issues. And also click that subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. It's me, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. And of course, sharing the mat with me today is Zuzu. Thanks, my friends. We'll see you soon. Ow. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness App free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.